Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a review on the Leatherman Sidekick. It's a very good multi-tool, I think. It weighs, I don't really know what it weighs, but it's kinda heavy. We can look at the tools at the outside. It has a knife. The steel, this is, I think it's 420 steel. Pretty soft, but yeah, it's sharp. How sharp, and it's sharp. So the form is, I don't know, reversed hand though, maybe. I don't really know. Somebody can tell me. No. If you know. It says lock. It's very sturdy lockup. No blade play. A bit side to side, but not much. The opening, it says opening hole, which works pretty good. Like to see. On the other side, it has a saw, and it's extremely sharp. So works very good for cutting wood. It has pliers, which is spring loaded, and the spring is very good. It ain't those crappy springs that goes up like this and you lost them all the time. It has wire cutter, or yeah, what do you call these things? Yeah, but you can cut wire with it. On this side, it has a serrated blade, which is really sharp. It has a ruler, screwdriver, file, lanyard thing, and bottle opener, and it's wire stripper and can opener also. It has a pocket clip, not very hard, so I would like to have it a bit harder. On this side, it's a Phillips and flathead screwdriver. But overall, I like this knife, or multi-tool, if you will. I don't really know what it cost. You have to check it up by yourself, but I would recommend this.